If you want to create a standout presentation, then the one thing you don't want to do is start with PowerPoint. Biggest mistake people make. Instead, you want to start with your ideas and how those ideas mean something to the audience. Then go through a little process of thinking about your ideas, turn your ideas into messages, turn your messages into something meaningful for your audience, and where you can, develop those into stories. And that process of turning an idea into a story is what makes a great standout presentation.
What makes a standout presentation is that you manage in the first opening seconds to really ensnare your audience. And you can do that in a number of ways. You can ask a rhetorical question that maybe they weren't expecting. You can tell them a story that moves them incredibly. Or you can just make a very strong statement of fact. Again, one that they may not have thought about, but all of these things must be totally relevant to them.